Oh my god, it's super big. Hey guys, welcome to Toy Time with Nia. If you're new to my channel, make sure you bang on the subscribe button. And today we're doing another challenge. Okay? Oh, my hat's wiggly. No way. Today we're doing another challenge. It's called the Mixing My Slime ingredients in alphabetical order. And if you guys don't know what alphabetical order is, you usually should learn it at school. So this is kind of like a learning thing, but fun. If you know your ABCs, you're gonna be able to do this challenge. These are the slime ingredients I have. I got glue, so that's for G. I got baby oil, so that's for B. I'm gonna try the baby oil today because people say that it makes your slime glossier. And the paints, this is orange, so O. This is pink, so P. This is purple. P? That might be challenging. That is green, so G. That might be challenging. So guys, these are my glitters, and instead of just doing G for glitter, then I'm gonna make it more challenging and do it like this. So P for purple, because it says dark purple glitter right there, and B for blue, and S for silver. Last but not least, our activator. A for activator. Well, other than that, let's get started! So first, you would think we would have to use the activator because it starts with an A. But since it's technically tied, then you can use that one later. Tied starts with a T because it literally says tied right there. And I see it tied right there. I mean a T right there. The next letter is B. So what do I have down here that has a B? We have blue glitter, we got baby oil, nope, nothing else I see. Well, these are the only things, but how do I choose, because they both start with B. So guys, this is hard, so what I'm going to do is any, mini, miny, mo. Any, mini, miny, mo, catch a tiger by itself. If you holler, look. If he hollers, let him go. Any, mini, miny, mo. Baby oil! Any, mini, miny, okay, you're it. Now, after B, it's C. I don't see anything that has a C. G? We got glue. And we have green. Anything else? Nope. Oh, time to do any, many, miny, mo. Any, many, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by itself. If he hollers, let him go. Any, many, miny, mo. Glue! Has a little bubble. That's good. I don't want my slime to be green, but I think it has to. Only if there's another way. I kind of want to keep it, but I kind of want a different color, but I don't know. H I don't see anything with an H. I. Igloo. Oh, we don't have any igloos here. J. Nothing with a J. K. Nothing with a K. O. O for orange. I don't see anything else with an O. Next one is P. Look what I got for P. Purple paint, and then pink paint, and dark purple glitter. So I gotta do any, mini, miny, mo. Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its tail. If he hollers, let him go. Any, mini, miny, mo. Pink. Pink paint. It doesn't really matter how much you add. Wait. Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its tail. If he hollers, let him go. Any, mini, miny, mo. There we go. I just really want it to be green, guys.
You gotta add more paint than that.
No, it doesn't really matter how much paint you add. The last two we have is, drum roll please, silver, glitter, S, Tide, T. The S goes first, so let's add some silver glitter. Last but not least is Tide. Well, it's activated, but technically it's Tide, so I might have put my hands in the slime a little. On the count of 3, my slime will be activated. 1, 2, 3. See? It's all activated. All I have to do is count to 3. Nothing else at all happened. Ooh, bubble, baby bubble. It's a pyramid. It's a pyramid. It's the Eiffel Tower. Let's make a bubble. Wow! Oh no, there's a hole in the bubble. No. Oh. Now one thing we haven't done with the slime, stretched it. Ooh, really stretchy slime. The mint green color, even though this isn't like a color that I really like, green isn't really, like I'm not really a fan of green. But I just like the slime. I think I'm gonna try things like this where I like different color slime and all the other colors. I didn't even use them, I just put like one drop in. So guys, this is what I've been doing the past few weeks. Ah! Oh my god, it's super big. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell. Bye guys!